Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hatie. You are welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be clearing out my closet. I'm going to be decluttering all my clothes out. Everything that I don't need, everything that I don't put on, I'm going to be removing it out of my closet. So my clothes is not that big, and I have a lot of clothes that I have just purchased, and I have no space where to put them. And in my closet right behind me, I have a lot of clothes that are there and I don't wear them. I'm just keeping them there, I don't know for what. So today I'm going to declutter with you. I bought some nice stuff online. I bought a lot of clothes, so you don't have to miss this. I'll be doing for you guys the clothing hauls, of the clothes I bought. And I want to reorganize my clothes. I want to remove all stuff I don't need, and I put stuff that I need. And these clothes, I'll be giving them out to my cousins, my sisters, and anyone who needs something from me. Any clothes from me, I'll be giving it out. So guys, without further ado, enough of rambling, let us jump into the video. And this is where I keep my cami tops with all the spaghetti tops on this rack here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So this is where I keep my cami tops. Guys, look, these are a lot of tops. This is where I put some of the long sleeved, short sleeved tops, as you can see. And it goes up to that side. So this is where I keep my dresses, my throw-ons, my trousers, my skirts, and everything. As you can see, that's the only space I have for my closet. That is the only space I have. So, and other clothes, I have them in these drawers. As you can see, guys, this first drawer has my pants. This has my bras, and this has my wigs. This has my wigs. This drawer has my shorts, my lounge shorts, which I wear in the house, or my sleeping shorts. And this last drawer has my gym wear. Everything is disorganized, but I'm going to organize it with you guys. So we shall be organizing because everything is disorganized. These are the drawers. There are 4, and this side up there is the baby stuff. These are just towels. These are some shoes. I know that everything is disorganized, but we shall be organizing with you guys. Those are some of my shoes and my baby shoes. On this side, I have my bags up here. My shoes, another bag, and I have also some dressers also here. So they also have clothes, as you can see. And these are also some of my clothes. I'm going to organize everything, guys, with you, and I'm going to remove whatever I don't wear, whatever I don't need. I will be removing it, guys. And on here, I also have more clothes. So more dresses, more skirts. Down here, I have my jeans, my denim jeans, black, blue. Quite disorganized, but we shall be organizing with you guys. This is the full view of the closet, as you can see. So this is all my side. And on my right hand side, which I'm not going to show to you guys, is my husband's side. I need to respect his privacy. So this is my side, all my side. But I have a lot of stuff that I don't need. So let us jump into our organization and our decluttering.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every
Hi guys, update. These are all the clothes removed from the closet. I've not yet removed clothes from the drawers and the bags. As you can see, this is empty. I've removed everything, and yeah, it's long enough. So this is also empty. Yeah, this is also empty. Yeah, as you can see, and it's somehow dusty, so I'll have to bring water and I clean everything. Empty and empty. So yeah, I have more clothes up in this bag, and I have more clothes down in this bag. So yeah, let me bring water, I clean, and I dust all whatever junk is there. I've brought water. Time for wiping off all the dust.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
Yes guys, I've finished cleaning up the closet area. I'm going to be working section by section. So right now in my background, I've finished cleaning where I'm going to put the clothes I need. So yeah, right now I'm going to sort out clothes that I need and clothes that I don't need. But let me do it off camera, then after I'll show you guys I'll show you guys what I've sorted out. So guys, update. These are the clothes I've removed that I don't need so far, and these are the clothes that I'm going to put back. So yeah, let's finish up this section and we go on the drawers. Oh, I'm so tired. So what I'm going to do, this area, this is where I keep my like perfumes, my lotions and my everything. I've already emptied it. I've removed everything, the perfumes, the jewelry, the lotions. So yeah, others are down here. I'm going to clean this part also.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time.
This is where I keep my perfumes. As you can see, these are all my perfumes. This is where I keep some of my earrings, some necklaces. These are my sunglasses, some of my sunglasses which I don't want to like get spoiled. And this is my skincare. This is part of my skincare. And this is where I keep my hair oils, hair lotions and anything hair. That's where I keep. And that's where I will keep our shower gels. That is the area already organized. I'm so happy, so happy about it and how I organized everything. So yeah, let's close it. This is it closed. How cute. Hi guys, update. So these are the things I've removed which I don't want. As you can see, there are 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bags plus this bag I'm taking out. I'm giving it out. There are shoes here, more shoes. So yeah, that is it. These are the shoes and those are the bags I'm giving out. And yeah, I'll show you the rest of the stuff, how I've organized everything later. Let me continue with my work. I'll be showing you guys the aftermath. Hi guys, update. So today is the next day. Yesterday I was so tired. After doing my work, I just showered and I went to sleep. I was very tired, but I'm very happy with the way my wardrobe turned out. It's cute. I changed some bit of things to it and I can't wait to show you guys. Let us go and see. Let me go show you guys how I did. You let me know down in the comment section below if I did well or bad. Yeah, it will depend. Comment down below. Today I'm just wearing this just this cami top. I'm just wearing this cami top which I got at Mr. Price. It's so cute and I love it. And I just decided to pair it with these denim pants, denim jeans. Yeah, I'm so happy with the way my closet turned out. It's really nice. Let me show you guys. Let's go. Yeah, this is my wardrobe. This is the way I organized it. As you can see, starts from this side. Hi, that is just basically the mirror. This is the way it turned out. Let me show you everything. How cute, and it's very organized. I love the way it turned out. This is so beautiful and I'm proud of myself. Yeah, so these are just basically my dresses. These are some of my dresses and my throw-ons plus my nightgowns. Yeah, this rack, as you can see, and I have a lot of space in it. I have a lot of space. Before I couldn't even like push my clothes in. I couldn't push to find what to wear, but I have a lot of space and it's so organized. I really love it. And this side is where I keep my tops. This is where I keep my cami tops, and this is where I keep my other tops, the rest of the tops, the off shoulders. Yeah, as you can see, even I have more space inside. If you can see, I have a lot of space inside there, so that I can even add more clothes. This is where I keep my bags up. This is where I decided to keep my bags. Before, my bags were here, right here, but now I decided to extend them here. And yeah, these second racks are where I keep my shoes. From this, of course, these are my bags. From this rack up to down is where I keep my shoes. Those are my workout shoes. So this rack is just where basically where we keep some stuff we don't use on a daily. I decided to keep them here, and I decided to keep our towels here. So this side is where I kept my baby pampers, some of my baby shoes. So yeah, and these, let me show you the wardrobe, guys. Of course, I will not show you where I keep my panties and my bras. And these are my wigs, organized very nicely, well laid. So yeah, these are my shorts, and I removed a lot of shorts, so I have even a lot of space. As you can see, very organized. I'm so happy. So these are my workout clothes. These are my workout blouses, and these are my workout bras, and these are my workout shorts. Very organized, so neat and clean. Let me show you guys also where I keep my jeans. I removed a lot of jeans, and I still have more space. These are all my denim jeans. So yeah, so this is where I kept some of my dresses. Of course, I also removed a lot of dresses. I wish I showed you that before, but I think I didn't film. Then this rack has my sweatpants, my t-shirts, my leggings. So yeah, these are all my leggings. These are t-shirts and some little blouses which I wear on my with my sweatpants. Yeah, how organized. I love it. Let me show you guys this area where I keep. I didn't show you that before before I organized here. This area is, of course, this area is not part of our closet. It's not in the closet area. It's outside, or it's in the bedroom where we sleep. So this rack here is where I keep my jackets, denim jackets, my sweaters, and my everything. And you can see I have a lot of space remaining. Patricia, say hi.
Hi. Today I'm eating this ice cream.
You're eating ice cream.
Today it's white.
You like it?
It can't pour.
Who gave you the ice cream?
Shani, Amina gave it to me.
Gave you the ice cream. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see, I still have a lot. I have a lot of space. I'm so happy. Yeah, I can even buy new stuff and I include them there because I'm so happy with the way it turned out. So you've decided to sit there, right?
Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today this ice cream is sweet.
Okay, so yeah, that is it. A lot of space for my jackets because I removed a lot. Yeah.
So they can see. So I was playing hide and seek. No, I was not shouting. So I'm not scared me.
Sure.
So I was playing hide and seek so too much.
Okay.
Then it was later.
Okay. Yes guys, that is it for today's video. I'm really so happy with the way my closet turned out. I'm really so excited. Yeah, and it's organized. You can see the background. My background is so good and I can't wait to film more videos here in the closet area. I really want to film more of the clothing haul in this background. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Always remember to have gratitude in your spirit and always be thankful to God to whatever you are grateful for, and spread love, not hate, and remember to work hard. Until next time, bye guys. Okay, she wants to say bye. She wants to say bye guys.
Bye.
She's enjoying her ice cream here.
Bye.
Okay, we love you guys. Bye. See you next time in another video. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. We love you.